Ano ba? Sa bagong taon naman, lalo. You just cut her blonde hair? Ay, orange. Okay, okay. I thought, see, you corrected yourself, Peach. Be careful. No, they cannot. Peach and orange are not similar, Jade. Nope. No. I still. Oh, be careful. Don't cut her finger. Don't cut her hair. Don't cut her hair. Don't cut her hair. What's her name? What's the name of that toy, Jade? Can you get that? That's the look at the box, anak, in front of you, next to you. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Hello, hello, Mikay. What's that? Lumpa lumpa? What's that? Let me see. La. Kulit. Yummy land. Wrong spelling. Ah, okay. Oh, Bianca bubblegum. We like Bianca bubblegum. Oh, Bianca is like a bangka. Bangka in the Philippines means boat. Hello, Mads. Boat. You want boat? Bianca. Bianca Bianco. Hello, Mads. Hello. Is that Yummy Land? What's the name of that toy? Bianca Yummy Land? Eh, nangungulangot. What's that? Okay, brush your hair. Be careful. Jade, be careful. To unbox this toy is 8 minutes. We've been doing it for 8 minutes. And then there's more. Oh, Jade. Ikaw na nga ni. Ate Dong can open it. Ang tapak. You have to do the lip gloss. Are you making now? Okay, make your lip gloss now. Hello, Mars. Yeah, just mix them together. Okay.